As a tech content creator, my work takes me around a lot, and that means I need a laptop that can keep up with my on-the-go lifestyle. Enter the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon. This 13-inch ultra-portable laptop is made for mobile workers like me who need to get work done anytime, anywhere. But how does it help you achieve that? Well, that's what we're here to talk about in today's video. First up, let's get into the look and feel of it. The kind of person who's more inspired to work if the device looks nice. And the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon certainly fits that bill. The moon white color it comes in is particularly eye-catching. And if you're like me who gravitates towards the clean aesthetic, you're gonna love the look of this one. In fact, let's take a quick moment to appreciate its design. This laptop comes in a matte finish, so even though it comes in white, I wasn't worried about having to constantly wipe it down. Granted, it's not completely smudge-proof, but the upside of a white body is you can also easily see when you need to wipe it down. And when it did get some stains on it, I could clean those up right away. With its rounded corners, I don't have to worry about accidentally hurting myself with sharp edges. It also prevents the laptop from snagging onto things when I take it out of my bag. Lenovo also keeps the signature lip at the top of the display. The bonus of having this little notch is it makes it easier to open the laptop. But what it's really for is to house sensors like the Windows Hello IR HD camera, color ambient light sensor, and time of flight sensor. The time of flight sensor and HD camera come in handy for signing in and out of the device, while the color ambient light sensor automatically adjusts the keyboard and display backlight and temperature depending on your ambient light conditions. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon comes in at under 1 kilogram, and it is just 14.8 millimeters thin. It is compact and lightweight enough to fit into many of my bags, or it's just as easy to carry around. So I can actually carry it around with one hand if I want it. Not that I'm gonna do that, but I'm just saying I can since this laptop is so light. And this portability is the biggest draw for me. It has made it so convenient for me to work wherever I wanted. In fact, I used it while I was literally on the move. I was on a road trip recently and I spent hours on that bus just typing away on this laptop. And with its edge-to-edge keyboard, the typing experience was certainly a comfortable one. The keys are large enough that I don't accidentally press on those I shouldn't. And I have to say I'm very impressed that it fit into a compact body like. I spend a lot of time typing, so having a tactile and responsive keyboard is very important. The trackpad is also sufficiently clicky, so I don't even need to use a Bluetooth mouse with it. I could, but I typically don't. I love that I don't have to be too gentle with it either. It has passed Lenovo's durability and reliability tests and even met military-grade standards to ensure it can handle daily wear and tear. As mentioned in its name, this laptop's body is made with a carbon fiber material typically used in supercars. Using this kind of material helped both lighten its weight and improve its durability. Lenovo boasts that the carbon fiber used in this laptop is its lightest yet. It claims to be 40% more durable and has 25% higher rigidity. That means that screen flex, which is a typical problem for lightweight laptops, should be non-existent here. Even though this laptop has a small-ish screen, you shouldn't discount its quality. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon packs in a 13.3-inch QHD Plus vibrant display. It is also color accurate thanks to its support for 100% of the sRGB color space. So when I needed to edit videos, like the one on the dual-screen Lenovo Yoga Book 9i, I wasn't worried about the colors being off or whether they came out different from how I wanted them to be. And yes, you can edit on this machine thanks to this setup. However, I find that it shines more when it comes to my other daily tasks, like writing, researching, and consuming content. With the 90Hz refresh rate screen, I can easily and smoothly scroll through the documents I have to read. This laptop has a 91% screen-to-body ratio in a 16:10 proportion. This combination allows me to see more vertical content on the screen. When I'm reading documents on this, I'm able to see more content without needing to scroll more. It is not a device with a display that fully lies flat. lap. But it goes far enough that if I'm collaborating with someone across from me, I can put the screen down and they can see what's on it. Another thing that's impressed me on this laptop is its viewing angles. I could be on either side of the display and still see pretty clearly. As much as I love a well-designed piece of tech, it needed to work well too. And so far, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon has been ticking both boxes. It is a beautiful laptop, but at the same time, I have been enjoying my time with it, primarily thanks to that great display. I also appreciate that it reminds me to take care of my eyes. It has an aptly named eye care mode, and it has been certified by TÜV Rheinland for its low blue light eye-safe display. These features ensure that harmful blue rays are kept out as much as possible, and they help out with unnecessary eye strain. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon didn't just make work easier. It's been a constant companion for my downtime too. With relatively thin bezels on its three sides, I find myself pretty immersed in the shows and films I'm watching. And then you throw in support for Dolby Vision, and its Harman-tuned speakers get Dolby Atmos too. That means I get an even better video and audio experience. Dolby Vision allows the laptop to show bright and vibrant colors, wider color contrast, and scene-by-scene color and brightness, giving that more true-to-life realism on compatible content. I'm able to use this on streaming services like Netflix. When I'm in the app, I just need to look for the Dolby logo. It means the show and film have been optimized to support this tech. Now for immersive sound, I just pair this with Dolby Atmos. And I love that I don't even have to think about what audio profile to pick. The program can do that for me. I have to say that this has completed that cinematic experience, but also made it so much enjoyable to listen to music on this device. So when I want to unwind at the end of the day, I often reach for this laptop, catch up on my favorite content. Battery life can vary greatly depending on what you do on your device. And the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon is no different. The company claims it's possible to get up to 14.5 hours of use, but I'm guessing that doesn't factor in heavy-duty tasks like video editing or gaming. I find that if I spend the day just writing or using it occasionally, I can eke out up to 13 hours of use out of its 50-watt-hour battery. I imagine that if I take this on a plane and try to get some writing or reading in, I'll be able to use it even through a long-haul flight. This Rapid Charge Express technology also promises to give a few hours of use if it's plugged in for a bit. Like if I want to play a local video for up to 3 hours, I just need to plug it in for 15 minutes. When I'm working outside, I'm extra aware of keeping my laptop safe and my data secure. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon has one of my favorite features for this. It has a smart presence detection that keeps track of when I'm in front of the screen and when I'm away from it. If it detects that I've stepped away, it'll automatically log me out of Windows. When I return, it'll just sign me back in, and it does this without me needing to touch any. Like how convenient is that? But if the thought of sensors tracking your presence gives you the creeps, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon also has an electronic camera privacy shutter. This kill switch will automatically cut off the connection to the camera. On the convenience front, this laptop also has a flip to boot feature that automatically boots Windows when I lift up the display lid. When you get the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon, it comes with 3-year access to premium care. You can get everything from setup assistance to data migration and even an annual PC health check. Lenovo can also remotely troubleshoot problems you encounter with your device. And what's great is you can reach them through many convenient means, including calls, emails, or even through chat. And if the issue needs Lenovo's expert technicians on site, they can come to you to check on the problem. Now, you also get 3 years of accidental damage protection. The service gives you additional assurance against problems like accidental drops, electrical surges, and other structural issues. A Lenovo technician could come and diagnose the problem in person and even do simple on-site repairs. Now, if it's beyond repair, Lenovo may replace your entire system without an additional charge. As a clumsy person, this is an option I'd want to get. I loved how this laptop boosted my productivity these past few weeks. I didn't have to think long and hard if I wanted to bring it with me. I just did. So all thanks to those features we talked about earlier. Its portability, vibrant display, fast charging capabilities, security features, and after-sales services. Its smaller footprint didn't stop me from getting my work done. Whether I needed to edit a quick video, write an article, or research, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon had my back no matter where I ended up. And if you're a mobile worker like me, I'm sure you'll appreciate that. And that's it for this video on the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Carbon. I hope I answered your questions about this sleek little machine. And if you have more, well, you know the drill. Just leave them in the comments. I'm Nicole, and this has been Lit. See you next time. Bye!